Hi, welcome to Not a Handyman. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had an instance where all of a sudden you turned on the water in your sink and it wouldn't go down? There's some hairy people in this household for that not to go down. Now, I'm not a handyman, but we'll see if we can fix this together. So Dad's gonna fix the sink. What do you think?
I think it's gonna break. I think the bathroom's next week.
The bathroom's gonna... Why?
Because last time you fixed something, the bathroom overflowed.
So I'm not a handyman?
No.
Okay. Alright, first thing we need to do is assess the situation. So we're gonna have to take everything out of here. Oh. So more than likely, the clog is somewhere in here. So we're gonna have to take this thing apart. Hopefully I don't destroy the bathroom. Now, after you've assessed the situation, you need to grab the tools that you need in order to fix the project. First thing is a towel, because you know you're gonna get wet. Next, a pair of pliers. See if I can find some. Does anybody else have this problem? You can never find what you need when you need it? Okay, so here's what I got. I got a towel, a bowl, just in case we need it. I got a snake, and a nice long screwdriver so that way I can hopefully not have to use the snake. So first thing we're gonna do, put the bowl under there. I couldn't find the pliers because there was that problem. Not being able to find the pliers. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna unscrew this part right here. We'll also unscrew, if you can see, this one right here. Oh, that smell! Smells like sewer. It's so nasty. So nasty. Oh! Oh. Oh, man. You have no idea how nasty this is. Oh, there we go.
Here.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Here, use some of this.
That is so beautiful.
It does not look beautiful to me.
Oh, look in there.
My eyes are bleeding. Here, you can use this. It'll help your nose.
Oh.
Here you go. This will help your nose.
Alright, so once you got that off, we gotta assess the rest of the situation. So, what we're gonna do Oh! Oh, it stinks. Oh my god, it stinks. We're gonna make sure that this thing here isn't clogged. Doesn't look clogged to me. So. Alright, sorry about that. It stinks really bad. So, now what we have to do, this piece here, we have to take off. Oh, look at that. Oh, I think I'm gonna throw up. Hold on. Okay, now that we're back, we gotta get this crap cleaned off. Look at that. Oh, that's so nasty. Oh, so we're gonna take it in our bucket. My wife used this bucket to make pancakes this weekend. I don't know if she's gonna use it anymore. Oh, that's freaking gross. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. That's people's snot and who knows what else is in that thing. So we're gonna clean this out and hopefully this fixes the problem. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this outside to wash it because I don't want it to go down any other tube. Look at that, there's toilet paper and who knows what else is in that.
Hey, I ran for it. Is it still there?
Did you close the door?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's just nasty. Hair and everything else getting stuck in that thing.
Like what happened in Nelly?
Now that it's clean, hopefully we can get this working properly. All right, we're back in the bathroom. So, as I said before, we got this thing all cleaned up, looking good. But we want to make sure that that thing is cleaned out. So we're going to take this towel, we're going to shove it down that hole. All right, now that we got it all cleaned up, I'm gonna put it all back together and hopefully it works. So, here goes. So first thing you do is you make sure that it's not leaking anywhere. I like to let it run for a little while. Wipe around these little doohickeys there. Feel it. Make sure that there's no water coming out. Look at that. Completed. Whew. Alright guys. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys want to know how to not be a handyman around the house, continue to subscribe and see what else comes.